tell me to.
So we discovered something pretty cool today. We have a case of water in the garage, and some of the bottles are frozen, but others are still liquid. And they are a super cooled liquid. So we're going to do some experiments with these super cooled fluids and see what happens. Should be fun. Okay, here's a bottle of water that is super cooled. I might even just be able to squeeze it really good and see what happens. Let's see if we squeeze it. No, watch out, hit it on a table. There it is. Why do we have to smash the bottle on a table in order to get it to freeze? Well, what that does is it causes some of the molecules of the water to line up in their crystalline form. And once we start that reaction, since the water is so cold below the freezing point, it causes the rest of them to crystallize very rapidly. It's a really cool demonstration. Okay, we have a cold plate here and another bottle of our water that is super cool. So we're going to try to actually pour the water on the plate and see what happens with that.
Oh, that's cool.
Look at that. So there's a little bit of, the plate is so cold and there's a little bit of ice on it that gives the water coming out, the super cooled water, a condensation nuclei, and it looks like it's freezing in the bottle now too.
It touched the ice.
It touched the ice and it went all the way into the bottle.
That is
Look at that.
crazy. What happens if we take?
So super cooled water is water that is liquid below the freezing point. Okay, so that means that it's less than 0 degrees Celsius, but still in the liquid form. Now, these bottles of water have been sitting in my garage for a long time, probably a couple of months, and they were relatively undisturbed. There were some other water bottles close by that had frozen solid. So I'm not sure exactly why these bottles remained liquid, but when I noticed it, I thought we would be able to do a pretty cool experiment. And it turned out very well, I think, right? So that was a pretty cool impromptu science experiment today with some super cooled water. Let us know what you think in the comments. Have a great day.